Hi, my name is Christian Rudder. I'm with my teammate Arjun. We're going to be presenting our Baron Logic puzzle today from CS 225 with Professor Musavi. We were tasked to replicate a Baron Logic puzzle within Java. This was an amazing experience because that was my first time working with other people in a group setting. I was able to communicate ideas. I was able to help each other out on if we had a roadblock, any bugs in our code, and then sharing code over GitHub and learning Git and dividing work based on front end and back end. Arjun?
Hey guys, this is Arjun here. This project was useful for me because it was one of my first team projects. My biggest takeaway from developing with another developer was the opportunity to learn a new skill set with FXML, which was Christian's suggestion. Utilizing the markup language FXML allowed for a faster workflow rather than procedurally coding each UI element with JavaFX. One of our core strategies for developing the software was utilizing the right design patterns. We started off with the main puzzle board in the game logic class and decided singleton was the best approach as we only needed one instance of the game board. We then used the observer pattern in the grid class to monitor each cell with a click event, because each cell's activity is contingent to the other cells in the same row, column, and grid. One of our biggest challenges with replicating the Baron logic puzzle was coming up with a way to keep track of each cell's contents. Our solution was to use a giant one-dimensional array. This was a more dynamic approach for accessing cells in other grids rather than having each grid's collection of cells separated by the grid class. We use the formula at the top here, which is zero index, to find the index of the specified cell we're looking for. For example, if we wanted to get the 38th index, by plugging in the respective numbers, we will get the 38th cell. And now this is what our final build looks like by the end of the project.
In the starting menu, you're able to select the size of the board. We have a hints button that populates the clues box. We have a clear errors, which checks with a correct version of the board. We have a start over button, and we have a undo button, which goes back to previous states of the board. And this is what it looks like when you've actually completed the game. When you press OK, it exits out. If we had more time, I'd definitely love to make the clues a little bit more complex instead of giving them away.
Yeah, and adding to that, I'd allow the user the option to return to the main menu so they could try out other puzzle sizes. Thanks for checking out our presentation, guys, and we hope you get a chance to try out our puzzle.
Thank you.